Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for day 2 of quarterly review. This is going to be a good outline of what to expect for tomorrow's exam. All right, number 14, Sue and Kathy were doing their algebra homework. They're asked to write the equation of the line. Equation of the line, we know that. That passes through these 2 points here. Now before I even look at the rest of the equation, the rest of the question, I know how to do this, right? I know how to do it. You know how to do this too. If you're given 2 points, you can write the equation of the line from these 2 points. The first thing you have to find is the slope. So we're going to do our y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're going to get our slope to be negative 3 over 9, which is negative 1/3. So that's what m is equal to. M is equal to negative 1/3. Right, so once I have my value for my slope, I can calculate the rest of the equation using my slope-intercept form. I know that my slope is negative 1/3, so I'm going to plug that in. I'm going to plug in a value for x and y to find my b. Now, you just have to pick one of your points. So I'm going to go with this and this, 6, 1. 6 is an x coordinate and 1 is the y coordinate. So it goes in like this. So we have 1 is equal to negative 2 plus b, because 1/3 of 6 is negative 2. Now we're going to add 2 to the other side. And we have that b is equal to 3. So we have our b is equal to 3, and our m is equal to negative 1/3. So we can conclude that y is equal to negative 1/3 x plus 3. This should be our equation of the line. Y equals negative 1/3 x plus 3. That is our equation. Now, Sue wrote y minus 4 is equal to negative 1/3 x minus 1. And Kathy wrote, oh, well, Kathy, we know Kathy's good as gold over here. That's exactly what we want to see. Kathy, we know, is right. All right, Kathy is right. Sue, let's see if we can fix this, all right? Sue wrote y minus 4 is equal to negative 1/3 x minus 1. Let's get y by itself. Let's see if that's equivalent. So we have y is equal to negative 1/3 x plus 3. Take a look. Read it and weep. Same old same. So both Sue and Kathy have written correct equations. This one is in slope-intercept form. And this one was in a little bit of a different form, but it is still equivalent. Now, when it says justify, all you have to do is show your work. Next question. Jen and Natalia are each saving money for a car. The total amount of money Jen will save is given by the function f of x equals 10 plus 3x. That looks important. Let's underline it. The total amount of money Natalia will save is given by the function g of x equals 2x plus 20. Also important. Underline it. After how many weeks x will they have the same amount of money? Same means equals. So you're going to take function f of x, which represents Jen, and that's your 10 plus 3x, and set it equal to your function for Natalia, which is 2x plus 20. And now you're going to solve for x. Okay, so we set them equal to each other. Now we're just going to solve for x. So we're going to get all the x's to the left and all the numbers to the right. So 11 plus 1x is equal to 20. Subtract 11. So I have 1x is equal to 9. So that means after 9 weeks, they will have the same amount of money saved. Next up, the formula for the volume. Oh, you guys hate this. Ugh. Formula for the volume of a pyramid is V equals 1/3 big B times H, where V is the volume of the pyramid, B is the area of the base, and H is the height. What is H expressed in terms of V and B? So we have V equals 1/3 big old B times H. We're trying to solve for H. So first we're going to get rid of that fraction by multiplying it out. The fraction's gone. So now I have 3V is equal to big old B times H. Now divide both sides by big B. And you have that big B, not big B, H, because that canceled out. H is equal to 3V over big B. So if the volume of the triangle, pyramid, is 45 inches, and the length of the base all right, typo alert. This should say if the volume of the pyramid is 45 inches cubed and the area of the base is 9 inches squared, what is the height of the pyramid? So the volume is 45. The area of the base, that's the B, is 9. And we're trying to find the H. So we're just going to substitute in these values. So 45 is going in for V, and then 9 is going in for H, aka B. So now you're going to multiply the top and divide by 9. So 3 times 45 is 135. 135 divided by 9 is 15. So our height of our pyramid is 15 inches. So you use your answer from part A and you plug all the values in for the given variables. All right, so solve the following equation for x. Now this is an equation, this is an inequality. So typo alert. Inequality. This should say inequality right up here. All right, so let's distribute first. Okay. And we're going to combine our like terms. Okay. Guys, make sure that you're using an inequality symbol and not an equal sign. So we're going to subtract 5x from both sides. So we have 6x minus 8 is less than or equal to -2. Add over the 8. We have 6x is less than or equal to 6. So x is less than or equal to 1. Now let's represent that on a number line. We're going to put 1 in the middle, closed circle, pointing to the left. Remember, you can only follow the arrow when the variable is on the left. Next one, and the last one. We're given two polynomials. A is equal to 3x cubed minus x squared plus 7x minus 5, and B is negative x cubed plus 6x squared plus 1. Find A plus B. We're going to add them together. So 3x cubed minus x squared plus 7x minus 5 plus negative x cubed plus 6x squared plus 1. Now combine your like terms. 3x cubed minus 1x cubed is 2x cubed. Negative x squared plus 6x squared is plus 5x squared. Positive x has nothing to combine with. And then we have negative 5 with positive 1, and that's negative 4. This is your resulting polynomial. The degree is your highest exponent, so that's going to be 3. Your leading coefficient is 2. It's the coefficient of the cubic term. And that is it. So I hope this video helped. If you still need help, I'll be here tomorrow morning. Have a good night, everyone.